We have reached our final harvest. You may decide to keep your plants growing in your device, transplant them, or harvest all of your herbs. First, start by removing the pods from the device. Your pods are 100% compostable. Remove your reservoir from the base of the device and take apart the top two trays. You will need to remove the pump before everything goes in. The pump is a little bit difficult to remove, so try your best to take out the pump by holding down the reservoir on one side and pushing down on the bottom to pull out the pump. You can choose to wash these parts by hand in a sink using warm water and soap. Make sure you wash your domes and pod holders in the sink so that they can keep their shape. Once the pieces have been rinsed, lay them out flat to dry on a dishcloth. Give your pump and the rest of the bite a clean wiping down with a damp cloth. Make sure that you wash your device in between all of your harvests. Now you are ready to start your next grow.